Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this financial math question, which is a stock related question. If you want to solve, then solve it by your own and comment your answer to get featured here in my shortcut list. And then the question is, a stock which priced at $100, it gains 10% on Monday, then loses 10% on Tuesday. So what's the final price? So we will solve in very stepwise method, so everybody will understand. If you have already solved, then comment your answer. Okay, so stock price is what? Here $100. Okay, like when market opens on Monday, it gains 10%. So how much price he get, or you can say how much gain on Monday? That is 10%. So we will calculate how much he gain. So this is the amount, and 100 times 10 by 100, then actually gain, which equals to this, or we can say 10 times 1, like this. So he get $10. So on Monday, his capital will be $100 plus $10, or we can say $110. Okay, this is the value for Monday. Now on, as we know, and then loses 10% on Tuesday. So let's calculate for Tuesday. Let's consider this 1 for Monday and 2 for Tuesday. Okay, now he get 10% loss. Now many are solving in a way like they consider 10% loss on this capital, on this, but actually he's not losing in this capital, because when he gain 10%, that is $10 on Monday, his capital will become $110. So whatever he loses, that will be calculated on this. So we will take this as a principal amount. Okay, so we do not consider $100 here, like many fail to solve like this. They will say $10% loss, that means again $10 loss. Okay, and they will say the final amount is what? They will simply $110 minus $10, or they say $100, and they say like no gain or no loss, or you can say neutral. But this is not the right way. I will show you. Okay, so when we consider, because Monday he has invested and get $110, so we consider it as capital amount, or you can say principal amount, that is $110. Okay, so everything is calculated on this, like that is 10% loss. So 10% loss, we can say minus. So what will be the loss here? So calculate loss, we have to consider this 10%, 10% of that 110. So 110 times 10 divided by 100, here 0, 0, 0, 0, which will cancel out, and $111 actually. So the loss is this value, like this value. This is the loss on Tuesday. Okay, so what will the final amount? As you know, the final price, because on Monday, that is Monday price minus the loss. So here Monday price is what? $110 minus loss is what? $11. And when I subtract this, you will get $99. So here final price is nothing but $99. This is the right answer. And if you are new in this channel, then like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. You will get financially and mathematically more calculative, or you can say your calculation will be improved by watching my videos. And like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.